Hi everyone, I'm Essex Dave. Welcome to my channel. If it's new here, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And today I'm drinking Sweat. It does exactly what it says on the bottle. It's a health drink, sports drink. For example, if you've done a lot of exercise and you lost a lot of sweat, you need to replace it. The same, if you are sick, like diarrhea, and you've lost a lot of fluids, this can help you to replace it, because inside it's not just water, it's minerals and vitamins like potassium and sodium, and it all make you feel better. So this is a similar drink to something like Gatorade or Lucozade that is available in Western countries, but this is a Japanese beverage, freely available around Asia, because Asia is really hot and sweaty, very humid, and we need to replace our fluids quite often during the day. And this is the best one. If you get a headache or feel tired, drink this one. It will bring you back to life. Apparently the person who inspired the creation of this drink, he got the idea when he went to the hospital once and he saw a doctor drink a whole bag of saline fluid, which is like an IV injection into the bloodstream when you're seriously dehydrated. And he got the idea to make this drink. So I'm going to give it a go now. It looks quite nice. Let's have a look. It's got a fairly fruity flavour, like grapefruit, very mild. Not too overpowering, but I think it really does hit the spot when you're super thirsty and just want to get back on the top of your game. So if you're in Asia and you're really thirsty, really sweaty, don't be scared to try it. It is actually quite delicious. If you've enjoyed this short review, please hit the like button, and as always, I will see you all in the next one. See you later.